When cold weather hits, staying warm shouldn't mean sky-high energy bills. Infrared heaters are designed to deliver efficient, targeted heat by warming objects and people directly, rather than wasting energy heating the air. They're quiet, cost-effective, and ideal for homes, offices, garages, and even outdoor spaces. To help you find the right model, we've listed the top 5 best infrared heaters and their key features, plus the things you need to consider to help you choose the best one for you. Links to all products mentioned in the video are in the description below, so let's get started. Dr. Infrared Heater Carbon Infrared Outdoor Heater. The Dr. Infrared Heater DR238 is our favorite outdoor infrared heater because it starts heating fast and provides a noticeable warming effect up to about 10 feet if you stay in front of it. We installed one under an overhang on our outdoor patio, and we felt the extra warmth throughout the entire space. On cooler days, we enjoyed entertaining guests there. We like that the heater has 9 heat settings to accommodate different outdoor temperatures, but we didn't feel a lot of heat from it on the lowest setting. The remote is handy to adjust the temperature without getting up, especially useful if you opt to mount it high on a wall like we did. This heater is designed to be wall-mounted, but you can also use it with a tripod, sold separately. We opted for a wall mount, which requires drilling, so you may want to choose the tripod option for an easier installation. Once we had it on the wall, we also had to find a wrench to tighten it in place, as it didn't feel sturdy when finger tightened. With an IPX4 waterproof rating, this heater is safe for outdoor use. This rating means the heater repels splashes of water, but it isn't rated to withstand water jets, so we recommend mounting it in an area with at least partial protection from rain. We installed one of these heaters under an overhang, but it might also work well under a pergola, gazebo, four-season room, or other area that is at least partially protected from the elements. HeatStorm 1500W Infrared Portable Space Heater. Don't overlook the importance of portability if you want to bring warmth to any room easily. The heater comes with a top handle, which we found made it simple to transport from one place to another. Despite looking like a toaster, this space heater can produce enough heating power, up to 5,200 BTU, making it an excellent choice. We placed this heater in our home office, where it can get cold enough for our hands and feet to start feeling numb. We enjoyed a comfy, warm working space with the heater hard at work, even on the chilliest days. We cranked up the heater to its maximum setting, 99 degrees Fahrenheit, but it never quite reached that temperature. While the thermostat never showed anything above 88 degrees Fahrenheit, that was more than enough. The room became pretty hot at that reading, so we didn't feel it needed to be higher. We noticed that the heater produced consistent white noise during our tests, but we ran the heater for 4 to 8 hours each day and never had any trouble talking on the phone or watching TV. The temperature can be adjusted from 60 to 99 degrees Fahrenheit through its 3 primary settings: low, auto, and high. The display also has a temperature lock and 3 brightness levels, so it won't disturb your sleep at night. The heater has an accompanying tiny remote control. However, the remote only functions within a 4-foot range and only when you are directly in front of the heater. Like the others on our recommended list, this model is loaded with features meant to keep you safe while using the heater. Overheat protection uses an interior sensor to prevent the heater from becoming too hot, and a child lock function prevents children from changing the temperature. We noticed that the heater's body and sides did not get hot during our tests. However, we do not advise using this heater unattended around children or pets because the griddle from which the heat emanates gets extremely hot. Dr. Infrared Heater Portable Space Heater. If you're in the market for a small space heater, consider the Dr. Infrared Heater Portable Space Heater. We tested this heater in our office and at home, and it warmed us significantly thanks to its 2 types of space heating technology: quartz infrared and PTC, positive temperature coefficient, a self-regulating feature that adjusts based on the room's air temperature. The heater boasts high, low, and an eco mode, which uses a mix of high and low to determine the most environmentally sound way to heat the room. It also has a remote and digital control pad on the front, so it's easy to adjust the target temperature between 50 and 86 degrees Fahrenheit. Although the heater works well if you're right next to it, we found that it doesn't warm the room as effectively as we had hoped. We weren't too discouraged, as this is a common characteristic of infrared heaters, which emit waves of warmth to heat you and nearby objects directly rather than solely warming the air. If you want warmer air, opt for an electric heater. The safety features of this heater are impressive, with both tip-over and overheat protection. We found that the tip-over protection worked, shutting off the heater immediately. However, it is worth noting that the heater does not turn back on once it is upright again. Additionally, the unit is quite sturdy thanks to its wheels, making it difficult to overturn in most cases. One potential issue we encountered is that the timer can only be set with the remote, which could be problematic if you ever lose it. Duraflame 3D Infrared Electric Fireplace Stove. If your home doesn't have a built-in fireplace, or you want something more practical than a faux fireplace, this charming infrared heater is the next best thing. We've tested the Duraflame stove 4 separate times over the last few years, and it continues to impress us. One of our favorite features is the ability to control the heat and flame settings independently. You can enjoy the inviting glow of the flickering flame without feeling like the room is too hot. We also loved how this heater looks like a wood stove, complete with lifelike fire logs and embers. We also like the viewing windows on 3 sides. We are also impressed by how well the heating works. With 5,200 BTU, it can heat up to 1,000 square feet, despite its compact size. It quickly takes the chill out of our cold basement, where we like to watch TV. Thanks to the blower, we can feel the heat from 10 feet away. Assembly is a breeze. All you have to do is screw on the legs. This electric fireplace heater operates at a noise level of only 56 decibels, similar to that of a dishwasher, making it relatively quiet. The heater has an adjustable digital thermostat and auto shut-off protection, with a timer, for added safety. To avoid the hassle of tangled cables, it has handy hooks on the back to corral the cord when not in use. The heater also has multiple brightness and temperature settings that can be adjusted using the included remote control. Although we were able to use the remote, the display settings are hidden behind the door, so it's a bit of a guessing game to set the temperature. Additionally, the heater was tested by UL Solutions, formerly the Underwriters Laboratory UL, which is an important consideration. However, it doesn't include a tip-over shutoff, but it feels very stable. Modern Ember Portable Rolling Infrared Space Heater. We absolutely love using this heater in the bedroom, because we can use the included remote control without getting out of bed. Thanks to a timer, you can schedule it to turn off after anywhere from 1 to 12 hours, so you don't have to worry about leaving the heater running all night. And the wheels help to move it around. Since it's over 35 pounds, this space heater is perfect for large rooms or moving it from room to room, similar to our best overall, runner-up pick. We placed this infrared heater in our 14 by 16 foot bedroom, set the heater to 78 degrees before bed, and by the time we went to sleep, our room was nice and warm. Since our home thermostat is set to 64 degrees at night, we also love to use the heater first thing in the morning. The heater has low and high settings, as well as temperature settings, which can be adjusted from 60 to 90 degrees. We found 78 to be the sweet spot. We also like the 2 fan speeds. As far as safety goes, the infrared heater has tip-over protection. We nudged the heater with our feet and did a little tip test at home, and found that the heater shut off before reaching 45 degrees. One thing to keep in mind is that the heater vent gets a bit warm, but it doesn't burn your hands, so we'd be comfortable using it around pets or kids. If you found this video helpful, please consider giving it a thumbs up, leaving a comment, and subscribing to our channel. Don't forget to hit the notification bell icon so you never miss out on our latest videos.